Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to split a page in half on Canva using vertical guides. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your existing design in Canva. This could be any project you're currently working on, whether it's a flyer, social media post, or presentation slide. Once your design is loaded and ready on your screen, you'll want to locate the top toolbar at the very top of your Canva workspace. In the top left corner of this toolbar, you'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your design. From this menu, you'll need to hover your cursor over Settings. When you do this, another submenu will appear beside it with additional options. In this submenu, look for the option that says Show Rulers and Guides and click on it. This feature is essential because it enables the ruler tools along the edges of your canvas and allows you to add guidelines that help you align and organize your content precisely. Without this feature turned on, you won't be able to create the split effect you're looking for. Now that rulers and guides are enabled, you'll notice ruler markings along the top and left edges of your canvas. To create your vertical guide that splits the page in half, move your cursor to the left ruler. Click and hold on the ruler, then drag your cursor toward the center of the page. As you drag, a vertical line will appear moving across your canvas. Keep dragging the guide toward the center and pay close attention to what happens as you approach the middle. Canva will automatically display a pink center indicator when your guide reaches the exact center of the page. This pink line is your visual confirmation that the guide is perfectly positioned to split your canvas into two equal halves. Once you see this pink indicator, release your mouse or trackpad and the vertical guide will lock into place. With your vertical guide now positioned at the center of your page, you can start placing your content on either the left or right side of the guide. This makes it incredibly easy to create balanced, symmetrical designs or to organize two distinct sections of content side by side. You can add text, images, shapes, or any other elements, and the guide will help you keep everything aligned and visually appealing. And that's it, you've successfully split your Canva page in half using a vertical guide, giving you perfect symmetry and control over your design layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.